Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about angle criterion for similarity of triangles. A criterion is known as angle criterion. So generally students, there are similarity concepts of triangles. In the similarity concepts of triangles, so we have, so let us see the statement of similarity criterion statement. So what is the statement? In two triangles, if the corresponding sides are equal, if the corresponding angles are equal, then the sides which are opposite to the equal angles, then the sides which are opposite to the equal angles are in the same ratio, or proportionally. And hence the two triangles are similar. Okay, this is the statement of angle criterion for similarity of two triangles. So in two triangles, if the corresponding angles are equal, let me see the two triangles how it is. So two triangles, first triangle I am going to consider ABC. This is ABC triangle. Let me consider this is ABC. And one more triangle we have to draw. This is DEF. Okay, so one more triangle we have to draw, that is DEF. So one more triangle we have to draw, that is DEF. So there are two triangles, so we have to consider. In these two triangles, corresponding angles are equal. So angle A is equals to angle D, and angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. This is called corresponding angles. When in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the sides which are opposite to the equal angles, that is A equal angle and A and D are equal angles, the sides are BC and EF. And B and E are equal angles, then whose opposite side is AC and DF. And C and F are equal angles, then their opposite sides is AB and D are in same ratio. And hence the two triangles are similar, we have to see. We know that in two triangles, if corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional, then those two triangles are called similar triangles. Let me see. So what is given here? So given is two triangles triangle ABC, triangle DEF, angle A is equals to angle D, corresponding angles, angle B is equals to angle E, these two equal, and angle C is equals to angle F. So these two also equal. That is called corresponding, that is same place. That means angles existing in same place of two triangles are equal. Now, so what we have to prove, that required to prove is so equal angles opposite sides, that is AB by DE is equals to BC by EF is equals to AC by DF. So we have to prove this one, and also hence triangles are similar. So that means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. This is further. When these two are satisfies, definitely automatically triangles are similar. Now what we have to do, see this, to prove this one we read external construction, that is extra construction. So what the construction is required to prove these two theorem is, so we have to consider P point on the DE line segment and Q point on the DF line segment. Such that DP length is equals to AB and DQ length is equals to AC. Like that we have to keep 2 points which are on DE and which are on DF. That means, so consider or locate P comma Q on DE and DF line segments such that how the points will be, DP length is equals to AB and DQ length is equals to AC. So like this we have to locate and join them, and also join them, and also join PQ line segment. So if you join PQ line segment, I'm going to join this one. So this is I'm joining now. So now proof. How the proof will be? Proof. So to prove this one, so we have to consider triangle ABC and triangle DPQ now. Triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. From consider triangle ABC, triangle DPQ. Here AB side is equals to DP side. This is since construction. AB is equals to DP. Then again AC angle A is equals to angle D. Angle A equals to angle D. This is from given statements. This is, so in the same way this can be taken as AC side is equals to DQ side. This is also from construction. So these are the three conditions we are taken here. So side angle side. That means in two triangles, the angle included two equal sides are equal. Then these two triangles are congruent triangles. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ since side angle side congruence criterion. So side angle side congruence criterion, this is an axiom. So side angle side congruence rule. So under the side angle side congruence rule, ABC triangle and DPQ triangle are congruent. When two triangles are congruent, we know that from CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. From CPCT rule, angle B is equals to angle P. Angle B is equals to angle P. And angle Q is equals to angle F, angle Q is equals to angle F. But we see that angle B is equals to angle P here, and angle B is equals to angle E also here. Therefore, angle P is equals to angle B and angle B is equals to angle E. That implies we can say that angle P is equals to angle E. In the same way, angle Q is equals to angle F here and angle C is equals to angle F there. That implies angle Q is equals to angle F. So if you consider these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal, so that means it indicates that therefore PQ is parallel to EF. So PQ is parallel to EF because so these two are corresponding angles. When corresponding angles are equal, so definitely the two lines are parallel. So when PQ is parallel to EF. When PQ is parallel to EF, from the basic proportionality theorem, what basic proportionality theorem states that if any line segment is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides at distinct points, then the two sides are divided in the same ratio. When two sides are divided in the same ratio, what happens? Two sides, that means what is the sides DE and DF. So you can write this concept as dP by dE is equals to dQ by dF. dP by dE is equals to dP by dE. This ratio is equals to dQ by dF. I am going to consider that ratio. So by the basic proportionality theorem, so we have an ability to consider any ratio because all the ratios are equal. The corresponding sides ratios are equal. Then dP by dE is equals to dQ by dF. But so what about dP? dP is equals to AB. Then in the place of dP, I can write AB by DE is equals to, in the place of dQ, we can write AC, that is AC by DF. AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. What we have to prove? AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. Now, similarly we can consider, if you consider PQ on DE and DF, that's the reason why we are having denominators DE and DF. If you consider PQ on DE and EF, definitely we can consider denominators on DE and DF. In the same way, similarly we can write AB by DE is equals to BC by EF. When it will happen, then DE and EF. If you consider P on DE and Q on EF, then so we get like this. So similarly, so therefore from the above two conditions, therefore AB by DE is equals to AC by DF is equals to BC by EF. Hence the corresponding sides are same ratio. So now, so we conclude that AB by DE is equals to AC by DF is equals to BC by EF. Then we already given in the given corresponding angles are equal, but we proved corresponding sides are same ratio. When in two triangles corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same ratio, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Hence it is proved. This is called angle criterion for similarity triangles. Students, follow this carefully. It is very easy. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can message to me, right?